Hi there, guys. It's Delfim Alvaro from Ghostwriting.com, back with another Kindle Publishing series video, showing you guys in this video how to actually upload and publish your own paperback using CreateSpace.com. So in one of the previous videos, I actually showed you guys how to take your Kindle book and format it for CreateSpace. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take that book you've already formatted and actually publish it. So let's get right into it. So first things first, I'm already here in the CreateSpace dashboard. I've already clicked on add new title, which you will see once you log on, and brings us to this page here. I'm going to start off by, I'm going to run through the process. It's very, very simple. So here, tell us the name of your project, Kindle Publishing. I'm actually going to be publishing my Kindle ebook, How to Build a Successful Self-Publishing Business with Amazon Kindle and CreateSpace, a detailed step-by-step guide to the entire process. So I actually wrote this book myself. It's a book that breaks down the entire Kindle publishing business, as you guys can see here. It's a very, very simple book. I literally break down the entire thing. I haven't left anything out. And if you haven't already, go ahead and download it. It's like 99 cents, and you should get quite a lot of value from it. So let's get right into this. So first things first, we've already added Kindle Publishing. Here's the name of the project. Next, I want to click Paperback. And then I want to click on the setup process guided. I'm going to actually use the guided process to show you guys. So now we're in the title information. The first thing we're going to add is the title, the book title. So I'm actually going to copy the entire title from the Amazon page and paste it onto here. Remember to make sure that both titles match exactly, so it's easier for Amazon to match your Kindle version and your paperback version. And I add the entire title in the title section. I do not add the subtitle in the subtitle section. It all gets added here all together. Awesome. Next, we go on to author, which is myself, Delfim Alvaro. I'm then going to select series and add Kindle Publishing series, and it's volume 1. You can leave it blank if you don't want to add any series. I usually use it to add my primary keyword again, which in this case is Kindle Publishing. Then edition number, we leave that blank. Language, it's English. Publication date, I'm going to choose today's date to make my book look nice and recent, as it is. Next, we go into the ISBN section. I always choose the free CreateSpace assigned ISBN, so I advise you to do the same. Select it, then click on Assign Free ISBN, and boom, it's done. Then we click Continue. Now, in the interior section, I always choose the same thing. I go with black and white paper, and 6x9 on the trim size. This is the recommended trim size. In terms of the color, you can use full color if you wish, but that's going to increase the cost of each book, printing each book, and therefore it's going to decrease your profit margin by a substantial amount. I'll be honest with you, it makes a massive, massive difference. So unless it's really, really necessary, I would go with black and white, and I think white paper looks better than cream. So, and then we go down here and we can actually upload our book file. I advise uploading a PDF version of your CreateSpace formatted book. I actually forgot to mention that in the previous video. Once you have finished formatting your book from Kindle to CreateSpace, save it as a PDF, as it's going to make the process here quicker. So I'm going to click Browse, and I've already got my book here on PDF. Then in Bleed, we choose the second option, which says ends before the edge of the page, and make sure that Run Automated Print Checks is already selected, and then we click on Save, and it's going to actually upload the book file. By uploading a PDF version of your book, it's going to save you a few minutes, because if you upload a Word document, it's actually going to convert it onto PDF, and it's going to take an extra 5 minutes or so. So make things easier for yourself and upload a PDF. I actually had an issue with the automated print checks in the last time I tried to upload this exact book. So hopefully we don't get any issues this time. It was giving me some sort of Flash player issues, but should be okay. Almost done. A couple more minutes. Okay, it's doing the print check. We can actually skip to the book cover, but I'm actually going to wait just to make sure I don't get the same issue that I did before. So if, you can actually, while this is being uploaded, usually I just click on start working on book cover and actually uploading it. But just for this particular situation, I'm going to actually wait. So just a couple of minutes. Okay, awesome. Seems like it's worked this time. I can actually launch the interior reviewer and show you guys. So basically, it's literally going to show us what our book will actually look like once it's printed. So it gives you one last chance to go through everything and make sure everything looks nice and neat. I'm not going to go through the entire book here, as just want to make this video as quick as possible. But you guys can go through the entire book if you wish, or if you've formatted it correctly with how I explain in the video, you should be okay to just check a few pages and move on. So this is what my book will look like once it's printed. Of course, it'll be black and white, so this won't be blue, and the pictures won't be in color, it'll be in black and white. But it lets us see that everything is nice and neat. So if you can see here, formatting looks quite good. We actually format the books for you with hotghostwriter.com. And then you simply make some changes once you are uploading it onto CreateSpace. So the main things to look out for is ensuring that, for instance, text and pictures aren't outside of these borders here. You also want to make sure that there aren't any blank pages, like you're not leaving just blank pages, by not separating the pages correctly. So yeah, this looks awesome. Once you're happy, you click on save and continue. If you're not happy, then you can click on go back and make changes. What you would then do is make changes to the Word document and then resave it as a PDF and upload that again to the onto this site here, onto CreateSpace. So I'm happy. Let's click on save and continue. And next we're going to click on ignore issues and continue. Cool. So that brings us to the book cover. First thing is selecting the finish. So once the cover has been printed, whether you want a matte or a glossy, shiny finish, I always go with glossy. Next, it actually allows us to upload our cover. So again, I'm going to click on upload a print ready cover. And also, you want to upload a PDF cover. So if you're using the girl on Fiverr that I recommended, she actually already sends you a print ready PDF version of your cover. So you simply upload that and click on save. It'll take a couple more minutes to upload. I will also try to remember to upload the Fiverr gig who I use to create my CreateSpace cover. She's amazing. It takes only literally a few days. You just send her your front cover and any text you want to go on the back, and she will create the print ready cover for you for $5. I mean, it's a steal. It's awesome. She has great communication. She offers a great service. So I'll make sure to upload her gig here in the description box for you guys. Awesome. So our cover's uploaded. Next, we click on continue. that brings us to the complete setup section. So it allows you to just review everything once again. You can click on edit to make changes to certain things if you're not happy with something. What basically is going to happen here, as you can see, once we submit the files, they're going to review everything and send us an email within 24 hours. Once we receive that email, we get one last chance to review everything, so the interior, everything, and you can then click on publish and it will go live. But there is a couple more steps actually before. So I'm going to submit it, but there's a couple more steps that I'm going to run you guys through. So I'm happy with everything. So submit files for review. Awesome. That's done. It's been submitted. As you can see here, they'll be checked and I'll get a reply within 24 hours. Now, what we want to do next is actually a couple more things. So we're going to, first of all, edit here the distribution channels. So you get the standard distribution, which is free, Amazon.com, Amazon Europe, and CreateSpace eStore. You can actually add 3 more, which is CreateSpace Direct, libraries and academic institutions, and bookstores and online retailers. So these 2 you can simply select. Awesome. The third one, we actually need to do a couple more things, which we should be doing anyway. So what we're going to do is in this select a BISAC code, we're going to click on here, the hyperlinks here. Here we can add our book description. So I'm simply adding the same book description that I added for my Kindle book, HTML. Next, we're going to choose a book category. So I'm going to choose the category that best suits my book. So I'm going to go to business and I'm going to try and find home-based businesses. Awesome. I'm going to choose this category. You can only choose 1, whereas with Kindle you can choose 2. Next, I'm going book language English, country publication, leave that blank. We're going to add 5 keywords. So with Kindle, you can add KDP, you can add 7. With CreateSpace, you can add 5 keywords. So I'm basically just going to take 5 keywords from here, separate them with a comma. So Kindle Publishing, how to. So I'm actually showing you guys what keywords I'm targeting here. CreateSpace Publishing, it's very relevant in this 3. We're going to add Kindle Publishing for beginners. 4, and then 1 more. We'll add Kindle Publishing 2017, just for this example. Awesome. And that's literally it. We click save and continue. So once you've done that, you can actually click, once you've uploaded the description and everything, you click next, and that brings you to this page. Then we select each of the distributions, click save and continue. All the channels. So as you can see, that one's now open, and then we can actually select our list price. So for instance, whatever you put here, if I put $20 and then calculate, so 20 US dollars, so this is the fun part, it actually shows you here your royalty. So if my book was selling for $20 and someone purchased it on Amazon.com, I'd get a royalty of $9.52. CreateSpace eStore, $13. Expanded distribution, $5. And then it also suggests a price for us automatically for Great Britain and Europe. I'm actually going to be putting this book at $29.95. And which would give me a $15 royalty, and so on and so forth. So you can do whatever you wish here with your pricing. It will actually tell you the minimum list. So the minimum list price would be $6.20. If we were selling it at $6.20, let's calculate that. That'll give us a royalty of $1.24. So that's the minimum price, to cover costs of delivery, shipping, and everything. Printing, delivery, all that stuff. So again, I'm going to go with $29.95. And then click on save and continue. And that's essentially it, guys. That's essentially all that you have to do. So it's going to bring you back to this. Just ignore this. We've already gone through the cover. So again, in 24 hours, I'm going to get an email from Amazon, from CreateSpace. It's going to ask me to verify my book once more. Once I'm happy with it, I simply, click that I'm happy, and my book will go live very, very shortly. So I hope this video has been of some help to you guys. It's quite a simple process, as you can see. So let me know in the comments what you think of this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's been Delfim Alvaro from hotghostwriter.com. Also, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out the blog at hotghostwriter.com/blog. I will be releasing some more videos. If there is any particular part of the process that you don't understand, please do leave a comment in the YouTube video, in the comment section, and I will try to get a video out for you guys if it's something that I believe I can provide some value on. Also, you can visit the Amazon store and download the Kindle ebook. As I told you guys, it actually breaks down the entire process. It's currently only 99 cents, and I'm sure you'll get a lot of value from it. So guys, until the next video, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.